Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of my Thanksgiving series. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, savory, sweet ham sauce, okay? You don't need no other sauce than this sauce on your holiday ham this holiday season. Alright, you guys, so these are the ingredients that you will need. I have liquid smoked pineapple, pepper jelly, maraschino cherries, some sriracha, and of course sugar, and we're just gonna throw it all into the skillet. It's a super easy, simple, all you're doing is pouring, we're not chopping anything, and we're just gonna get straight into it. The sauce is super delicious. It does have a slight kick to it, sweet, savory, delicious, and I really hope you guys give it a try. So I'm gonna put the pepper jelly, as you can see, the little pepper pieces. That's cane sugar in the back. I should have used brown sugar. I mean, it really didn't matter in the end anyway, but I used cane sugar. But if you have light brown sugar, you could go ahead and use that. I'm gonna be using some pineapple chunks and pineapple juice. I will not be cooking a ham this year, and this is why I'm using pineapple chunks, because like I said, I pretty much just want to show you guys the actual sauce. And so if you're doing like a whole ham, of course you want to use the pineapple wheels. If that's what you want to do, the chunks works as well. So you're going to add everything to the skillet and then put it onto the stove. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you check that out. And you want to just reduce this by half. Oh my goodness, you guys, this smells so delicious. And you probably pour this over some chicken too, child. As a matter of fact, I have some of all these ingredients, and I'm probably going to make it again and pour it over some chicken and pop it in my air fryer or something. I don't know. We'll see. But this is what the sauce looks like after I reduce it by half. Remember, it's not going to be super duper thick because it is going in the oven, right? So then I finished it off with the liquid smoke and the mustard because I didn't want it to lose too much of its flavor, so I turned the heat off. And then I added the mustard and the liquid smoke. And I'm telling you guys, you can come back over here and drag me if you want, okay? This sauce, you need to put this sauce on your ham, okay? So like I said, you guys, I'm not making a ham this season, but I did buy 2 ham steaks so you guys could see what your ham would look like when you make it. Y'all, look how beautiful and amazing this looks, and it's not even cooked yet. So I'm gonna pop this into the oven for about an hour on 350, and then I'm going to be basting it every 20 minutes. So this is the ham steaks after 20 minutes on, I'm sorry you guys, 375, my bad. On 375 after 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. It don't look like much of nothing because it's just getting it going, as you can see, but it smells so delicious, and it's so simple and easy, like you can't mess it up, like literally. The pepper jelly just adds just a nice heat, nice flavor. The sriracha, of course. Now, for the people that's going to be asking me, girl, where you get your sriracha from? Honey, I looked up one day like 2 months ago and found it in an Asian market. That's what happened. But y'all, look how amazing. Like, I cannot. And when I was watching the end of this video, I was like, you know what? This made me want to make a ham for my family this holiday season because I could not deal with how amazing, delicious this looks. But thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a quick 1-2. We're warming up. We ain't getting nowhere yet. We got about 15 more recipes to go. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. If you make this, tag me and let me know what you think. Okay? And give me a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.